Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitstamp trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once it is opened up, tap on the search button and then type in Bitstamp to begin your search. Once you find the Bitstamp application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bitstamp application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button to launch the application on your device. And now you can start using the Bitstamp application after you have signed up or logged into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bitstamp app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.